Hi everybody! In today's video tutorial we would like to show how you can enable and manage and basically use the keyboard clipboard on this Sony Xperia 1 Mark IV smartphone. So first of all, let's launch the keyboard. In here at the top part of it you want to tap on this icon that stands for the clipboard, therefore opening the clipboard dedicated clipboard page. In here tap on this toggle and turn on the clipboard basically. In cases you want to remove some of the elements you have over here, tap on the pencil, select the elements that you would like to get rid of, and then tap on the trash bin. If you want for some element to be added to the clipboard, just type it in, select, and copy. And once we get back to the clipboard section, we'll see that the car element that we have just copied from the Google search bar has been successfully added as the most recent element. Now from here we can paste any text or basically anything that is added to the keyboard clipboard by simply tapping on it from here, just like so. And it will be, as I said, pasted to the typing bar that you have launched the keyboard with. Alrighty, so that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching and bye bye.